The reflections. Once, a dog ran into a museum full of mirrors. The museum was unique. The walls, ceiling, doors, and even floors were made of mirrors. Seeing his reflections, the dog froze in the middle of the hall surprisingly. He could see a whole pack of dogs surrounding him from all sides, from top to bottom. The dog bared its teeth and barked all the reflexes that responded in the same way. Horrified, the dog barked feverishly. The dog's reflexes followed and raised him many times. The dog barked even louder, but the echo was enlarged. The dog flung from side to side while its reflexes also stirred and cracked its teeth. The next morning, security guards at the museum found the miserable and lifeless dog surrounded by thousands of reflections of the lifeless dog. There was no one to hurt the dog. The dog died in battle with its reflexes. Moral: the world does not bring good or evil by itself. All that is happening around us is the reflection of our thoughts, feelings, desires, and actions. The world is a big mirror. So let's do good.